All right, we are on Celebrity Edge. This is cabin 8136. This is an infinite balcony cabin.
Cruise, Crazed fam, let's sail away. Everywhere we wanna play. On the seas we roll.
The door. The weird thing is this one opens outwards. This is the one my parents are staying in. We're staying in an interior. Their door opens outwards. Ours opens inwards. All right, so first thing you'll come across, there is a couch. You have some drawers. Your fridge is in there. These are an additional cost. So these are $7 charge. So these are decent drawers. I won't do too much with it because it's got all mum and dad stuff in there. Let's see. Yeah, so there's drawers which are split into, they're all the same all the way down. This is a minibar. It is a lockable minibar. I don't know about theirs, but ours would not lock. Now, all the stuff in here is an additional cost. I'll try to add the price. They don't have a price in their cabin, but I do have the price in my cabin. Let's just say it's not cheap. From what I can remember, it's $5 for a Coke, and those wines are $36 a bottle. All right. So up here you have chargers. So there is 2 USBs, 2 US and 1 European. And the good thing is you just shut that and everything's neatly away. All right, so couch, bed. Now, if theirs is the same as mine, which it looks to be, there is a US PowerPoint here, and then there's 2 USBs there. You have a lamp, your bedside tables, which have little cubby holes. So this is set up as a king, but these beds do divide to be a twin. And then there's the other bedside tables there. Now, this is the infinite balcony. So some people love it, some people hate it. My parents so far have loved it. So it does get quite warm in here during the day. So I think that's a light. So yeah, that's definitely the light. Now these buttons, so this top window comes down on the infinite balcony. So we're going to do that right now. So over here does say blind there, window there. So let's do the window first. Now the annoying thing is you have to hold the button all the way down. There's no press and let it just come down. But then you can also control how far it comes down if you just want it cracked. But as you can see, this makes a beautiful, nice open balcony. So when you enter into the cabin, it's unobstructed views. And then there. So can't bring the blind down when this is open, so you need to bring this back up first. Now this would be absolutely perfect for Alaska, which is what it does over their summer season, our winter, Australians' winter. Because once this is up, you can keep yourself nice and cozy and warm while watching the beautiful views. All right, so that's all the way up now. So now we're going to bring the blinds down. Same thing, you've got to make sure it's unobstructed. So actually what I'll do, so we did press that button. You've got to make sure the chairs are out of the way of these handrails. Or sorry, these rails for the blinds to come down. Now, I'm going to go back over to this controller over here. All right. So we're going to do a few things. So you can open the blinds. And it's opening. You can close the blinds and it says caution furniture. So it's just telling you make sure you move the furniture out of the way. You can see that blind is slowly coming down. It is going to get really, really dark in here. But then I'm going to show you some more settings. Slowly coming down. Alright, we're nearly there. Alright, it is down and it is now very dark in here. So, we're going to have a look at some of the light settings. So that's half light, full light, so all the lights are on. Now, let's say we want to watch a movie. The movie lights come on. Morning. So that one's just come on as well. It's just a nice dim light, which for us with kids would be perfect. I don't think I hit that, but that's just opening the blinds. Anyway, evening. So still dim or sleep, which is just kind of light on the bedside tables. So anyway, that's opening back up now. Let's have a look in here. So this is the bathroom. Let's turn the light on. The bathrooms are beautiful. As you can see, there is plenty of storage. So there's 3 shelves here. And there is 3 shelves here. You've got a decent sized sink. You've got more storage underneath. I do like that it comes with lotion. That's one I've found on Princess and on Celebrity that I have not had before on other cruise lines, and I love having that. A shower. So there is a little kickstand down the bottom. So if you're shaving your legs, a little soap dish. You do have shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. Ladies, if you need a good conditioner, this is not it. So bring your own still. That shower head you can take off. And then you've got the toilet paper. It's the same usual toilet paper for cruise ships. Just remember that the plumbing is extremely delicate. So the reason you've got really thin toilet paper like that isn't to annoy you or to be cheap. It's actually because that's what they need to be able to flush all through without blocking up the pipes. So there is a beautiful glass door on here. And alright, so these are just magnet hooks my parents put up. They're not usually there. Lamp again, you can turn that on or off. Alright, so I just worked out how to do it. So there is a little, I think it's magnetic that's holding that in there so it doesn't move about. So you're just going to pull that off there and then you can close these partitions. Alright, so I'll do the other side. Alright, so I just got the other side. So let's pull that tight. And this is what it looks like when those doors are shut. Alright, so we're just going to open them up again. All the way up. And push those in. That's it. Guys, I forgot to show you some more storage. So there is a cupboard up here. And there is one here. And that opens up too, so you can fit a fair bit of stuff in there. And then you've got a wardrobe here. There's not that much room for long hang because that's there. And then you've got the shorter space here, safe, and then we got 1, 2, 3 drawers. But there's plenty of hangers in there as well. Okay, one other thing. There is a chair and a desk that you can do your makeup. But if if you want a full-length mirror, you can slide in that. And then you have a full-length mirror. You can do your outfit checks. And that is your cabin tour of an infinite cabin on Celebrity Edge.
Like in the sky.